Have you ever wondered what an ETF is and why it matters to you? Could this be the missing piece in your financial puzzle? Well, today we're going to demystify this term and help you understand its significance in your financial journey. So, what exactly is an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Now, don't let that term scare you away. Think of it like a basket, but instead of fruits or chocolates, this basket holds a variety of investments like stocks, bonds, or commodities. And just like how you can buy a basket of assorted goodies, you can buy an ETF in the stock market. Now, why is this basket, this ETF, so special? For starters, it offers diversification. You know the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, an ETF is like multiple baskets in one. It spreads your investments across different sectors, reducing the risk of your financial eggs cracking. Another advantage of ETFs is accessibility. They are traded on major exchanges, just like individual stocks. This means you can buy and sell them throughout the day at fluctuating prices. This flexibility is a huge plus for investors who like to keep a close eye on the market. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it expensive? The answer is not necessarily. Many ETFs have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds. This means they can be a more cost-effective way to invest. But remember, just like any other investment, ETFs come with their own set of risks. While they offer diversification, not all ETFs are created equal. Some may focus on high-risk sectors or use complicated strategies. So always do your homework before adding an ETF to your portfolio. So there you have it, the world of ETFs simplified. A tool for diversification, accessibility, and potentially cost-effective investing. But remember, understanding is just the first step. Making informed decisions takes practice and patience. And that's where we come in. We're here to guide you through the twists and turns of the financial world. So don't be a stranger. Come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.